let's go across to Gursimran. Also, he's reporting from Gandhinagar, Jammu. Gursimran, you've been speaking to the people. Tell us about the issues that people really will have in mind when they cast their votes in Jammu this morning.
See, the key issues remains to be the people's development that has taken place or the development that the people expect to take place. Right now, we are in the urban polling station. This is in the Trikutanagar, where the Union Minister in the Prime Minister's office, Dr. Jitendra Singh, is going to cast his vote. And this is going to be really very important. Reason being that time and again we have witnessed that it is Jammu city and this Hindu heart that is going to post these 24 seats. This is going to be the Hindu heartland, and the BJP hopes that they will be able to repeat what they have done in 2014. The BJP has done, and BJP has won majority of the seats out of these all seats. But this time it is a contest, direct contest between the BJP and the Congress NC alliance that we have seen. The people have lined up here in the large numbers. I'll request Sarjeevan to keep showing you the visuals that the people are coming out in the large numbers. We have the candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Virender Singh Sonu, with me. Virender जी, आज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फेज़ इसलिए है क्योंकि अभी तक सिर्फ 50 सीटों पे पोलिंग हुई, 40 पे पेंडिंग है. आज जो जीतेगा सरकार बनाने के चांस भी बन सकते हैं. क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए, मैं सबसे पहले लोगों से अपील करूंगा कि आप घरों से बाहर निकलिए और वोट डालिए. मत का दान जरूर कीजिए, क्योंकि ये 10 साल के बाद हमें मौका मिला एमएलए चुनने का. तो घर से बाहर निकलिए, वोट डालिए. और बात यह है कि वाकई ये अहम फेज़ है, इसी ने फैसला करना है. तो लोग ये देखें पिछले 5 साल से हमारे साथ क्या हुआ और क्या नहीं हुआ, किन लोगों ने क्या किया है, फैसला लोगों ने करना है.
क्या होपफुल है पीडीपी, कैसी सिचुएशन में रहे?
वी आर वेरी होपफुल. हम बिल्कुल होपफुल हैं. पीडीपी के बिना सरकार नहीं बनेगी. तो मैं एक बात कह रहा हूँ कि जितना जनता ने बहुकी ने मुझे प्यार दिया पिछले 1 महीने से, जो लोग कहते थे पीडीपी कहीं नहीं, पीडीपी ट्रायंगल कंटेस्ट में आई, तो मैं समझता हूँ कि लोगों के मन में मेरे लिए प्यार है और उसका वो मुझे जरूर उसका लोगों का आशीर्वाद मुझे मिलेगा.
PDP hopeful that they will be in a position that no government formation will take place without them, also hinting that there will be a hung assembly that is going to be there, and also claiming that there is a triangular contest in the heartland of the Jammu city, where the BJP hopes to get the Hindu heartland into their fold. Now it has to be seen how things pan out from here, but one thing is very clear, that this phase is very crucial, as it is going to be the deciding factor.
Yes, Gursimran, let's take the same point across to Arawat also, who's reporting from Old Town, Baramulla. Arawat, you've also been speaking to the voters on the ground. What have been the dominant issues, when people have voted in the first 2 phases? And what are those issues specifically in Baramulla that will be on people's minds when they cast their votes today?
Yeah, absolutely, Samiksha. As we have seen before the abrogation of Article 370, particularly where we are from reporting, it's Baramulla. This Baramulla has remained the hotbed of the violence before the abrogation of Article 370. But now the youth of Kashmir, especially the Old Town Baramulla, has changed their mindsets to cast their vote. In fact, if my VG can go through these visuals, and you can see here in the visuals, the women are coming out from their homes to cast the vote for the development of the Naya Kashmir. As we have seen in the past, that this old town has remained the negative image, but now the things have changed on ground, and you can see here in the visuals all the arrangements are done here, and the key issues will remain here, as we have spoke to the various locations with the different kind of people, and the main priority of the people has remained that they want to development and the unemployment of the youth. That's why, in fact, if we'll go through these visuals, and you can see here in the visuals all the necessary arrangements have been made functional by the district administration and other agencies. And in fact, if we'll go through these visuals, whether we will talk about these polling stations which remain the hotbed of the violence earlier before the abrogation of Article 370, these kind of the polling stations has recorded the 0% or between 8 to 10% voting percentage. But we have seen a good percentage in the phase 1 and the phase 2, and the better percentage is expected for the phase 3 now.
Yes.
And we have seen, if we'll go through these candidates who are contesting from Baramulla, is the Muzaffar Hussain Beg, who has remained the former Deputy Chief Minister, and other candidates. Yes.
All right.